Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. If you say lobelia to most people, they think of the little blue trailing flower that you put in your hanging baskets. It's a wider family than that. You also get the perennial types, which are very different, and if you look up close you can kind of see the resemblance of the flowers. It's a turbo version of it. It's really good for cottage garden looks. It'll grow in normal soils. It's actually quite a handy plant to have if you've got a damper soil. It can look really nice around the edges of ponds, for example. Queen Victoria is probably the best known one. Most of them do have this really nice plummy foliage there, and then the really bright flowers. It's a plant that grows from the base, so any flowers that finish, there's no point cutting halfway back. Nothing's going to happen. That's just going to get mucky looking. It's just going to start dying down. So when it's finished, like on this one here, we want to cut that all the way down. I'm taking those out there. And that's where I've cut it there. Depends how keen you are. I mean, that's a bit scruffy looking, but I'm going to leave that because it's still got a nice bit of colour. It's not a plant that we're looking up very close up, and I don't mind coming back to do that in another week or so.